Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Harbour View and we are going to talk about the Harbour View Roundabout. Now this roundabout it was built about 50 years ago, and since then a lot of changes have happened. Now this is the roundabout straight ahead, and it has outgrown its use. It is now creating a traffic bottleneck in the area, during peak hour times especially. It's a very busy roundabout, and I think it's time they upgrade it. Now during peak hour traffic, that's from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and then again in the evening, it can take up to 20 minutes just to pass through this area. And on one side, you have Harbour View, one of the largest residential areas in Jamaica. So, because of the dual carriageway by the road, the Sir Florizel Glasswall Boulevard, even if you come out of Harbour View at another point, you're going to have to go along the road down to the roundabout, go around the roundabout, and then go back up to Kingston. It's a dual carriageway and the road has a barrier you can't go across. So when you have one of the largest residential areas in Jamaica or in Kingston, you have a lot of traffic in the mornings to get out. And then now another side of the roundabout takes you to the Southern Coastal Highway, which has revitalized the eastern part of Jamaica. So you have a lot of traffic going there now because there's so much development going on, and a lot more people are using the roundabout to get to the Southern Coastal Highway. Then another turnoff from the roundabout takes you to the Norman Manley International Airport, the only international airport in Kingston. So that will have a lot of traffic. And then the other side of the roundabout takes you into the city of Kingston, which is the capital. So it's a very busy roundabout. And as it is today, it is creating a bottleneck. So what can be done? So there are three alternatives, and guys, let us know what you think about these plans to upgrade the roundabout, because Harbour View is growing. It's growing. More and eastern parishes are growing. More people are going to be using the airport as Jamaica keeps increasing the number of visitors. The city of Kingston will always be growing. People will always want to get to the capital. So to address the problem on the roundabout, there are three alternatives. One, an expansion or redesign of the current Harbour View roundabout, and I guess that would have to involve the urban planners and traffic planners. Two, consider a signalized intersection where you demolish the roundabout and convert it into a large signalized intersection with modern traffic lights that can monitor the traffic on the road with sensors, those kind of things, to help with the flow of traffic. And the third one now, and this is the one that I like, consider building an overpass to facilitate the smoother flow of traffic. Build an overpass like what you have at 3 miles. Now, that would work great because one overpass could take you straight onto the Palisade Strip to get to the airport. Although you wouldn't need 3 overpasses, probably just 2. But a double overpass would work great. Another one could connect you to the Southern Coastal Highway, just take you up to the bridge. And These double overpasses, they exist in Jamaica. China Harbour Engineering Company is in Jamaica. They can build it, no problem. So guys, let us know what you think about the Harbour View Roundabout and the alternatives to address the issue of the traffic congestion there. Now, when the Southern Coastal Highway was being built, we did a video asking, this is out in Bull Bay now, why are they putting a roundabout on the Southern Coastal Highway? Because in this day and age, I think an overpass or a different setup or alignment should be used instead of these roundabouts. So we're going up to the Harbour View roundabout now, coming from the City of Kingston end. So the first left on the roundabout would be to go into the Harbour View neighborhood. The second one, or as if we were to go straight across, that takes you to the Southern Coastal Highway. And then the third one takes you to the airport. So we are actually turning into the Harbour View area now. Alright guys, let us know what you think. And also another reason, as we said earlier in the video, why the roundabout is so congested is getting out of Harbour View. You probably need more. They probably need to look at that, the roads leading out, because they all lead on to a road that takes you back to the roundabout because of how it's set up with the barricade. See, this is the road I'm talking about. You see, there is a barricade there in the middle to separate the two sides of the road. So even if you were to exit Harbour View somewhere here, you have to turn left to go back down to the roundabout to come back up the other side. That is definitely something else that needs to be addressed, but we'll talk about that in another video. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.